Is a great process that's used extensively in aerospace and automotive and everybody else, but it's never worked for additive because the surface finish is poor.
Yeah.
So we've tried it on additive parts and you get tons of noise. You just can't tell what your signal is. So with a hybrid machine though, you just machine it, right? Then you can, and then the signal noise ratio is great.
Nice.
And you can inspect and you get surface and subsurface. And you can also detect every metal, not every metal, but lots of metals have a different signature in terms of what their chemistry is. So you could actually, at least ID family classes, and we'll see how, how coarse or how granular you can get on the material identification. But I think that's an interesting.
Is that limited in depth?
It is limited in depth. Yeah, you're only going to penetrate about probably a millimeter. Okay. Probably not even quite through an entire layer. We've got an ultrasound-based head, which is we're now testing internally, and probably another 3 or 4 months, and it goes deep. It goes awesome.
Is that right?
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
You got quiet when you brought that up. Is it a secret?
It's not super public knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's not officially announced or anything. If you search our patents carefully, a few people probably will have found it and read about it. So.
You really shrunk this up, huh? You really did.
Yeah. So this is the longest one we ever did.
Is that right?
Yeah, and then we went to that, and then we went to this.
It's really getting.
It's starting to feel more like a shell mill kind of size.
How much smaller do you think you can get?
At this power density, not much. We've shortened it about.
What you get, huh?
So we went. This was manual. Then we went to 3D printing part of it. This entire thing is 3D printed.
Is that right?
We can't get the density of what we need through it in any other way.
Right.
And so, yeah, this is all powder bed fusion. And then machined, because we need the accuracy.
Right.
So it ends up becoming
same problem.
like a 4-week production on this, because the build's because we build multiples, so the build's like 7 or 8 days. You're like, just don't crash on day 6.
Are you doing it yourself, or you got?
We don't have our own powder bed right now. We actually have a couple of people that will. One set of people we really trust, and then a builder of powder bed fusion machines that we're intending to actually partner with. Do more with. So
That's awesome.
yeah.
What's this one? Oh, this is for cyber.
Yeah. So you feel free to pick it up. So if you don't want to have a tool changeable system, I mean, right now the thing is, can you do additive and subtractive in the same place? In 3 years' time, it'll be picked from the menu of what you want to do, in my opinion. And so multiple heads is the only, in my opinion, it's the only way to give the flexibility people really need. And if you're not in production, a lot of people will choose this because you go to this expense to automate it. When you're doing production, you want speed and you want, in situ inspection, automated, on the machine, done, parts finished, off, next one.
Yeah.
So
That's fantastic. Great stuff.
good. Have you guys been here yesterday?
No, we got here. We drove in last night, and this is our first experience of it.